Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Your Math Class.
Today we're going to be looking at odds and probability. What we are going to consider is an experiment where we are going to randomly select one colored marble from this container of marbles.
Awesome. Okay, so let's do a quick refresher on what probability is. So let's say the probability of an event, which we'll call A, is equal to the number of outcomes favorable to event A over the number of total outcomes. One thing that you should know is that the lowest probability that you can have is 0, whereas the highest probability is 1. So Dana, what would be something that you could do in this experiment where the probability would be 0?
If I were to calculate the probability of obtaining a black marble, that would be 0.
Because the number of outcomes.
There are 0 black outcomes.
Right.
Out of the total, who cares? It's still 0.
Right. And then what would be an example of something that could happen in this context where the probability would be 1?
The probability of selecting a colored marble, since all of the outcomes available are colored.
Yeah, so if I reach in and just grab any marble, it will be colored. It's guaranteed. Or it's certain. So I'll just do that. So any event whose probability is 1 is considered certain, and any event whose probability is 0 would be considered
Impossible.
Impossible. Yes, of course. Good. So this is Canadian content, so we do have a little bit of French in here for you as well.
Oh, crap.
So maybe maybe when Dana recovers, we will be able to take this a step further and maybe take a look at what the probability is of.
Give me 1 hour.
So now we're going to take a look at the probability of selecting a pink marble.
All right, should I take that on?
You should take that on, yeah. Wait, now you're not going to come on this side now, are you?
I guess I can. Is there any room over there?
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Oh, man, what should I do? 1 hour later. Wait, you're still laughing. Hang on a second. Okay.
Oh, don't get me going again. I need another hour.
Just straight face now. Just straight face now. So now we're going to take a look at determining the probability of randomly selecting a pink marble.
All right, I'll do that. Okay. Let's row over.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to calculate the probability of obtaining a pink marble. So following along this idea, we're going to calculate the number of outcomes that are pink. Literally just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outcomes that are pink out of the total possible outcomes. Well, I already know there were 6 that were pink, 7, 8, 9 total outcomes. And I could simplify that if I wanted. Divide by 3 top and bottom, 2 out of 3.
Love it. That's great.
All right, so how about you now calculate the probability of getting something that is not pink?
Oh, okay. Great. So probability of not pink. Okay, well, I think there's a couple of ways that you can do this. One is because we only have like 9 marbles and there aren't very many marbles, I can just count the number of marbles that are not pink. So that would be 1, 2, 3. And so that would be 3 out of a total of 9 marbles. So
total
3
is
out
the
of
same
9.
as before, yeah.
For sure. And so I can reduce that to be 1/3. So the other way that you could do it is the probability that you're going to select a marble that is not pink is you could take 1, which represents the probability of certainty, minus the probability that it actually is pink. And so essentially what you're doing here is you're taking all possible outcomes, so all possible marbles, and you're eliminating all of the ones that you don't want, right? So we're looking for the probability of not pink. And so if we eliminate all of the pink outcomes, then what is left will be our answer, right? And so in this case, we have 1 minus 2/3. And so our answer is 1/3, right? 1/3.
Surprise, surprise, same
1/3.
answer.
Yay.
2 different approaches. We are going to do another probability calculation involving pink marbles.
Just hang on a second here.
What are you doing? We just cleaned that.
Say it. Don't spray it. Here, let me just offer you this face shield at least, okay? Put this on.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm not putting this on unless you put one on.
I always come prepared.
Oh, that hurts the head. Okay. Well, I'm now protected. We are going to calculate the probability of obtaining a pink marble or green marble. So we are going to count the number of outcomes that are pink, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus the number of outcomes that are green, 1, 2, out of the total possible outcomes. And there are 9 total possibilities because the only
Right.
thing we were missing was that blue one. So that would give us 8 out of 9. That's it.
Perfect.
Come back next time, pretty please.
Hey guys.
Thanks for watching our video.
We hope you liked it.
And even if you didn't,
Please hit subscribe.
and watch our other videos.
See you soon.